Today we're going to talk about how ball bearings may improve your cars in terms of making them faster. And I just got this very nice old school Lego speed computer that allows you to measure rounds per minute of a trailing wheel here. And as you can see, this little vehicle here has got ball bearings inside of it. So all the axles are on ball bearings, and I created 3D printed pieces to hold the ball bearings. The same thing holds true also for the front. The steering here is also on ball bearings, which means that if you spin the wheel, it really spins and spins and spins, which is very nice. And I compared this to the same model of car, but just made with regular Lego parts that does not use any ball bearings, and same motor, same battery, same everything. So let's go and have and see a speed test. As you can see, the ball bearings do improve the speed of the car by not too much, and I guess the main reason for this is that the 3D printed parts are not extremely precise as the Lego parts. So if they would be at the quality and the precision of the Lego company, and this would be much better. But with a cheap 3D printer, this is as good as it gets. But nevertheless, the ball bearing did improve in speed, and I believe if the car would be heavier and bigger, the effect would probably be even more noticeable. So there you go.